right, walking up on baby. She playing Poppin' Pays, and she just got 8 free spins, and she just bet $1.30. Let's see what you gonna do, girl. Let's go in that sexy dress. Look at you in that sexy dress. Let's go. Okay. Gotta show the machine something. Get something. Let's go. Come on, machine. Come on, machine. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. And the volume ain't up on this machine, y'all. This is our first time seeing this machine and playing it. We don't know nothing about it. If anybody know about this game, man, and have won, ooh, look at that. You just hit something good. You just hit something, girl. She over here taking a phone call like a business lady. Huh? The fire alarm going off. Fire alarm going off where? Oh, yeah. That's okay. You're all right. They're all right. They did that before.
Well, they
did that before. So the fire alarm going off right now. The kids calling us from the hotel room.
It's loud.
They it went off last time.
Okay.
It went off last time. We was here.
Keep me posted. I'm about to go ask the concierge why it's going off. Okay. And
she just won a fire alarm at the casino. This is the second time it did it. You probably don't even remember.
I remember the last
Poppin' Pays, y'all. This sexy young lady just won. She wasn't even paying attention to her game because she a business lady. She got to take a call. Talk about fire alarm at the hotel at the casino. Y'all know damn well the casino hot, but they ain't gonna let nothing burn down. All this damn money in here. We out, y'all. All right, y'all. Right when we cut off the camera on her backup spin, y'all, and we should have got that. She hit $60.60 on the backup spin, man. She hot. I'm telling you. That's why that fire alarm going off in this casino. Look at this. Why that fire alarm going off, y'all. Do another backup spin. This time I'm gonna catch it. Let's go. I'm gonna catch it this time. All right, y'all. We out. This is Poppin' Pays and that sexy young lady. Bye. She got the bonus again. She doing something on Willy Wonka where she's gonna hit something with something 2 times. She's trying to hit the 2 times with something. She talking to the machine. And she got something up there. I don't know what she did. It ain't a coin show, but it's counting up something. She nickel and diming it. Something going on. Look at all that shit up there. You hit something up there, all those lives with the Willy Wonka. She got a coin show. I just walked up on her. She got a coin show. Oh boy. Oh, look at that, look at that. Oh. Willy Wonka, y'all. Out. Baby got the bonus. Let's see what she gonna do. Come on, girl. Get it, girl. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Come on. Let's get one of those maxis up there, baby. We need that hot chichilla. We need that hot chichilla. Yeah, we take all 4. All 4. All 4. Look at all 4. Oh, chichilla. Oh, you almost got that hot chichilla. Oh, well. Back in the bonus. Oh, let's see.
Big number. Big. Oh.
She's playing Poppin' Pays again.
Come on.
Found her over here.
Big. Oh, so sweet. I need some sweet.
Re-trigger.
Minor.
Oh, she had a minor.
She's a major.
joiner.
Oh, did it give me extra spins? Oh, it gave me
Got 5
more.
more spins. Boom.
That's awesome.
Boom.
All right.
Let's go. Let's go. Your little bubbles.
Bubbles, bubbles. I need sweet bubbles.
There you go. There you go. Sweet. Here it comes. Oh.
It's penny pinching me.
It's penny pinching. That's okay. It add up.
I'll take it.
It add up. It add up.
Oh, come on, sweet. Oh, I need some sweet.
Come on.
Oh, really? Oh.
Something good about to happen. Something good about to happen.
Big. Oh.
Let's see. Come on.
Sweet. Oh, come on. Last spin. They don't want to give me that sweet.
That's good though. Again, this is Poppin' Page, you guys. y'all. So I hope y'all just caught that epic episode of Buffalo.
Here we go, y'all.
I got the Buffalo for 48 times.
We got a whole coin show. Baby, show them what you do. Hey.
L&J Slots, baby. Like and subscribe.
Hey.
That was actually my first go around at getting that many re-triggers, man, and it was awesome, man.
How you feel, Bag?
I feel good.
You gonna ask me how I feel?
How you feel? Okay. We'll be in Vegas next week. Get a chance to do it over. But y'all, this is going into the winners, man. We out.
You got 17,000 likes. Boy, I like how nobody's following them. That's crazy.
I always wanted to ride one of those.
Yeah, but she at 10K right now, bro. At least 10K. At least, yeah, at least.
Hey,